Welcome back to the Wriggly Monkey Brewery. My name's Greg, I'm the head brewer here, and this week we have Sanction P, a 6.6 British strong ale. This one was a beer in our Sanction range that we've just released for Try January, born out of the idea of having a strong malt bill. So, Terry is one of our new starters. And Terry is?
I'm Terry. I'm the operations manager here at the Wriggly Monkey. Joined the crew beginning of November. A lot of bright ideas and a lot of good ideas to take us forward. And Greg's lovingly helped me brew a beer to warm the cockles of your heart.
So on this one, it's much the same as Sanction O in the fact that it's looking to build its recipe on the malt backbone, avoiding complication of the hops. It is a nice balanced beer, 6.6. Don't really have the presence of the alcohol in there, but you have a nice warming feel, and also you've got a nice caramel, malty, raisiny kind of malts coming through from the beer itself. So, available this Friday, Saturday. Pop on down to the brewery and grab yourself a beer.
Don't be late.